Hello and welcome to our webeyeCMS video tutorials. For this tutorial, we're going to walk through how to create a group, site and device. As you can see, we're already logged in to webeyeCMS. To create a group, we first need to access our hierarchy by clicking Manage from the menu on the left. Before you create a group, you need to decide where it should go. This will determine who has access. Right-click on the group above and then create Subgroup. A group creation template will pop up. The template is self-explanatory, and the only mandatory field required is the name, although we recommend you complete all fields available. The group type should be set dependent on who requires access. Organizational uses the hierarchy to determine which users will have access. Private restricts access to only those users within the group. You can choose to include a custom logo. This will display within the menu bar when expanded. This will replace the image displayed here. Once you're happy with the information included, click Create Group. Now we have created a group, the option to create a site to sit in the group is available. If we click Add Site, a site creation template will pop up. The only mandatory field here is the name and the time zone of where the site is located. It is important that the correct time zone is set for auditing and reporting purposes. Alarm handling instructions are crucial. These are the details an alarm handler will refer to and should include site information, escalation instructions, and details of any key holders. Once you're happy with the information included, click Create Site. Now we have created the site, we are presented with the Site Details page. We can review the information we have just entered, and if required, edit the information by clicking Edit from the menu. We can now create a device to sit in our site by clicking here. If we click Add Device, a device creation template will pop up. There are several mandatory fields to complete, including configuration options to determine how the device will interact with webeyeCMS. The mandatory fields are name, serial number, and device type. The serial number of the device will differ dependent on device type. This will be found on the device or its packaging. An account number will be automatically created after saving. If the device supports remote connection, the IP address of the device or phone number of the attached SIM should be included in the connection token field. If the device you are adding has the capability to send arm, disarm, and heartbeat signals to a monitoring station, you can choose whether these are generated as alarms. It is important to know that even if disabled, webeyeCMS will still record these signals and they can be identified by reporting on a site or device. The signal pole failure check feature is fully explained and can be enabled and configured here. You can decide whether to enable or disable the device upon creation. Billing will commence once enabled. Once you are happy with the information included, click Create Device. Thanks for watching. For more tutorials, please take a look at our video library.